Right guys, quick video on parrotfish breeding. We've got a male and female. So you can normally tell by a female is a little bit smaller than the male. There's the male, the big one, and she's a little bit smaller. So what they do is they rub up against stuff and drop their eggs. So hopefully they'll start breeding, and then we can have a few babies. Let's see how we go. Beautiful fish. And they only like eating bloodworm, shrimp. They don't like flake, and obviously can't give flake, it's not good for them.